Hello, in this video I'm going to show the progress I'm making on my Great Pyramid game. I'm going to show a run through of the inside of the pyramid, what it looks like now. It's not complete. So I'll press play. These stairs go to the entrance. Apparently there's two entrances, one on top and one lower one called the robber tunnel entrance. I don't know if I'm going to create both entrances, but this would be the one on the top. I think this entrance immediately descends downward after you go in. So it descends downward here on my game, but it'll probably, these stairs will be at a steeper angle later on, and they'll be closer to the entrance. And everything is open. So if in the actual game everything will be enclosed, there might be an option to have things open for demonstration purposes. This is the underground chamber. This is the floor level, and then you can go up to the Queen's chamber will be here. These are just placeholders for the rooms right now. The sizes will be changed to the correct size later on. And then if you keep going up, you can go up to the King's chamber, which is here. All the white bars you see are for measurement purposes. Those will be removed later on. And that's what it looks like so far. I'll show you the inside portion again. So this is the floor level, and this is the underground chamber. This is the Queen's chamber, and this is the King's chamber. And like I said, everything will be enclosed by default on the actual game when it's finished. And some of these positions will be changed. I know that these the stairs are not at the proper angle, so that will be changed. So not everything's in the correct position yet. So far, I found that the modeling in Unreal Engine 4 is kind of difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo everything in Unreal Engine 5 and see how that works. So I might change everything to Unreal Engine 5. I think it might make things easier. For example, in Unreal Engine 5, you can create stairs and you can change the angle easier. And you can also create the openings that you need to create. Like the opening here, you can create the openings easier in Unreal Engine 5. So I'm probably going to redo this from scratch in Unreal Engine 5 and see how that works out. I could do it in Unreal Engine 4, but I'm just thinking it'd be easier in Unreal Engine 5. So that's what I'm going to try next. But this gives you an idea of what it's going to look like eventually.